Ladies and gentlemen, if you're looking for a high yield savings account, we're going to jump into Credit Karma. I've gone through and done a review of the entire system. So if you want to check them out, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and see what they have to offer. So what is Credit Karma? So before we get into the details of the savings account, let's just have a quick overview of what it actually is. Basically, Credit Karma is a personal finance company that provides free credit scores, reports, and monitoring. They also offer various financial products, including credit cards, loans, and now a high yield savings account. So the Credit Karma high yield saving account has quite a bit to offer, such as a competitive interest rate, no minimum balance requirement, no monthly fees, and an FDIC insurance of up to $250,000. Now, all you need to do to open an account is visit the Credit Karma website. You can provide some basic information and make an initial deposit. Once your account is set up, you can easily transfer funds in and out by using their online or their mobile banking app. Some of the other things that you can expect from this savings account is great interest rates, ease of use, great accessibility, and awesome customer service and support. In conclusion, the Credit Karma High Yields Saving Account is a solid choice for anybody that's looking to earn a competitive interest rate on their savings with no minimum balance or monthly fees. Because why would you try and save money and then pay monthly fees for them? The online and mobile accessibility also makes it easy to manage your account from wherever you are, even on the go. If this was helpful, go ahead, drop us a big old thumbs up. We'll see you next time, people. Peace out.